Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to erase and edit text in Photoshop. First of all, I erase the text. Best way for this, erase text. Click the quick selection or magic wand tool. Then select, click multiple. Okay, then right click on your mouse. Click the selection again. Right click on your mouse. Fail content or wait. Now see this erase text. Press Ctrl D for remove this. Create a new layer. Text type. Then type anything. Then hold shift, click and drag it for fixed size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.